When displaying three-dimensional objects onto two-dimensional space, we need to draw the lines to meet at the vanishing point to recreate the illusion of having volume. The actual cube has parallel edge lines, but when drawing, it must be drawn so that they gather at the vanishing point according to the viewpoint. Also, the viewing position is important. The top, the bottom, or any side will look different depending on the angle of view, from a 45-degree angle, from above, and from below. If you connect each of these cubes, it becomes like a building. Using this technique, let's draw Minecraft. Let's paint in the colors. Let's figure out the location of the light source. Find the brightest, the mid-tone, and the dark tone. Then, try painting with colored pencils using different shades to match the different tones.
I don't wanna be alone, spend too much time by myself. So many things that I still don't know. It's time for me to move on. I want you right here, but you're all across the globe. Never call me back, even though you're on your phone. Wishful thinking gets the best of me, hoping that it's still you and me. Yeah, I thought we'd always shine, just some time off we'd be fine. Guess that I was wrong this time. When I think about it now, I know that I don't. I do not wanna give you more of my life. I do not wanna give you more of my life. You're just gonna waste it now, not sure if I'll make it out. I do not wanna give you more of my life. I'm all in with my mind. Will you ever call me back? How am I supposed to go if we never said goodbye? Reading through our convo, trying to find where it went wrong. Baby, I'll be fine if you text me one last time. Wishful thinking gets the worst of me, hoping that it's still you and me. Yeah, I thought we'd always shine, just some time off we'd be fine. Guess that I was wrong this time. When I think about it now, I know that I don't. I do not wanna give you more of my life. I do not wanna give you more of my life. You're just gonna waste it now, not sure if I'll make it out. I do not wanna give you more of my life. Hey, yeah. Oh, I'm not give you more of my life. Movies make it look so easy. 15 minutes then you're breezing. Movies make it look so easy. Whoa. Yeah, I thought we'd always shine, just some time off we'd be fine. Guess that I was wrong this time. When I think about it now, I know that I don't. I do not wanna give you more of my life.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.
Give you more of my life. Oh.